You and I are heading to Linneus, a little town in Aroostook County, northern Maine. Like a lot of towns, they're bedroom communities for holding. 20 acres of land. Is that big enough for what you need? On the way to Linneus, we go through Carey's Mills. There's a nice river, the Maine, that you will enjoy on spring canoe races. You can take a right on the Drews Lake Road that takes you out to the Holton Community Golf Course. You could access Nickerson Lake, Drews Lake. Everything's about recreation when you're in northern Maine, where there's more wildlife than people, where everything is unspoiled and all natural. Almost there. This is one special feature of Linneus, the Linneus Snow Sports Snowmobile Club. The snow sleds have come a long ways since the tinker for 2 hours to use them for one. My advice is to join a local snow sled club, whether it's the Linneus Snow Sports, the Maine Ramblers, the Oakfield Smoky Haulers. Join one or more than one. Those folks work year-round to make new trails, to improve existing trails, and to span rivers or brooks with new or bridges that need to be repaired. A lot of work goes into exploring northern Maine on a snow sled. It doesn't just happen, and it's not the government doing it for us. It's all pure volunteer. If you really want to get to know the community members, join a sled club. You'll have some of the best feasts, you'll meet some of the neatest people, and you'll have a real sense that you're part of that community. This rectangular-shaped piece of property is 20 acres, 475 feet along Route 2A, the road that used to be the interstate before we had I-95, that was 10 miles shorter to go to Bangor using this highway. Across the back there's about 500 feet, but it is a long, deep rectangle. Mostly wooded. You could easily clear part of the front because there was a clearing that grew up to trees, but they're not the old established kind. It'd be easy to blow open an area. If you're going to build a house, how long a driveway do you want? You want to be off the road, but I bet you don't want to be on the very back of this lot. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Moores. We appreciate you looking over this Maine property for sale, a piece of land, 20 acres in Linneus, Maine. Great location. If you're looking for a piece of land, if you want Maine land and that's it, we have that type of property. If you want help getting a cabin from a local log homemaker, we can help make that connection. Wells, septics, excavation work. You have great people right here in Linneus that can do all of that. Reach out to me. Don't forget to like the video. Please subscribe to our channel if you're not already a member, and go down below. The Show More region has all kinds of extra information, the price, how to get hold of us, the link to the website. We'll see you next time on the Maine Real Estate Channel. Thanks for watching.